Don't be stupid. She's got a foot. Sorry, David.
Welcome back to the channel UK Cop Hub. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss another jaw-dropping breakdown of real police encounters. Tonight's case, it starts chaotic: a firearm call, a suspect claiming innocence, and officers trying to piece together a story that's changing by the second. Pay close attention, this one spirals fast, and the truth hides in the details.
I told you. That's there, bro.
All right, stay here. Stay here.
Thank you.
I might need you. Stay here, because I may need you. Young lady, do you have a firearm on you? Did you get into an altercation? Where you fired off a gun?
I did not fire him off. He fired him off. His girl. Whatever the fuck he is.
Stay over there.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah, please stay the fuck away from me.
Okay.
I didn't do shit. You got your fucking people back. Look, I have everything on my fucking phone.
Let me see your phone. Let me see.
Everything's
Show
on
me.
my phone.
Show me who shot a gun. Show me.
I didn't have the video, but I have all
Well,
this
you
fucking
said
proof on.
Show me your proof that somebody shot
It's
the gun.
written fucking proof. This
Do you have ID first of all?
I have a temporary. This fucker, he's been calling me, threatening me. I'll be back. I'll be back. Oh. And then he calls me, and he's like, he starts showing me around to all these fucking people. This is her. This is
Who
her.
shot the gun?
That bitch in there, the fucking Mexican, with the fucking bag.
Okay. Where did she shoot a gun at?
Towards me. Fucking piece of shit. Fucking
Well, wait
lucky I
over there
wasn't
for
still
me.
overseas. I fucking shot her ass.
Okay, sir. Go wait over there. I don't need you on top of us.
I'm sorry, but my PTSD from overseas is fucking bad.
I'm going to ask you to go wait. I know. Okay, we'll deal with that, but I just got to ask you to wait over there. I've asked you 3 times.
I don't know. I mean, all I could tell you
Okay,
is
well,
there's
we're going to
a
look
lot
at the
of fucking
video out
people.
here and see who shot what.
All right.
You had no gun?
Alright, pause for a second. Did you catch that? The suspect just admitted to shooting her ex while insisting she has no gun. That's the kind of contradiction that makes officers hit the brakes and reassess everything. Notice how calm the cop stays despite the chaos that's critical under use of force and Miranda protocols. But here's the real question: if she claims self-defense, how will that play out legally when there's no visible firearm? Let me know in the comments. Do you think she's panicking or covering up?
Not.
You got bullets?
Yeah.
What are the bullets for? That's big.
I don't know.
357 mag. She's got a scale. She's got some weed. I don't know what's in here. I was looking for a gun, but
Phoenix 1052 nonviolent.
all right. I think we're still under. Oh, we got some.
Grab those.
That one. What are these?
To be honest with you, I don't know.
Is this in her property?
Yep. That's all her stuff.
Don't be stupid. She's got a foot. Sorry, David.
Okay, it's done. Oh.
Don't be stupid. She's got a gun. She's got a gun.
Okay, it's gone. Oh.
924 Adam 998.
Okay, now then.
She's got a scale. She's got some weed. I was looking for a gun.
It's
but-
a Phoenix 1052 nonviolent.
all right. I think we're still under.
Oh, got some. Let me grab those.
What are these?
Those are M30s.
To be honest with you, I don't know.
Is this in her property?
Yep.
Okay. Give me your hand.
Come, stupid. She's got a foot. 925 David, 998.
What a scene, and here's the breakdown. Officers located bullets, a scale, and potential narcotics evidence that complicates the story beyond just a shooting claim. Under Section 1 of the UK Firearms Act and similar US statutes, even possessing ammunition without a valid license or firearm registration can lead to charges. Yet the most striking part is the calm procedural control. Despite chaos, officers stick to verification before escalation. This case is a reminder: never lie, never hide evidence, and know your rights. If you found this breakdown as wild as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to UK Cop Hub for more real-world law, justice, and unbelievable police encounters caught on camera.